Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Maruti Swift kawadan new registration number ML Not San P Khat Nyau Way Kalno Sanala Road jong Surokba National Highway Henrio kabdan haksang Samlem Ribhoy District kani gejingjia glojia por sao steng ai manta ka janmit ka laipho tarik nailur arjar pusan hapo jong kani ka kali kidan arngut ki brio yak ba ompat la bentip yak kerteng jongki baro arngut kila Mynsaw bala penkit yaki sya sning CHC benca Sumar la suba pakadaw jo kani jingjia accident kadai nak jing penher stat yak kali.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.